Okay, here are some help problems from page 295, starting with number 2, which is similar to some of the problems you're supposed to be doing. In this section, we're talking about earnings. So if you work in sales, you will get paid oftentimes in what is called a commission. So if the commission rate is 12%, that means for every dollar that you sell, you will earn 12% as your commission. So in this case, for problem number 2, your sales are $25,500. If your commission is 12%, let's calculate and find out how much money you're going to earn. So our earnings are going to equal our commission, which is 12%, times our sales. Our sales are $25,500. So if I put that in my calculator, I find that my earnings are going to be $3,060. That means my boss is going to write me a check for $3,060 because I sold $25,500 in merchandise and my commission is 12%. Okay, now I'm going to hop down to number 20 because I still want to do these earnings problems. I'll jump back and do one of the tips problems in just a second. So in this case, I'm told that the earnings are $40,000. So if I'm a salesman and I earn $40,000 and my commission is 20%, the question is, how much did I sell? I'm going to use the same equation I used before. In this case, my earnings are $40,000. My commission is 20%, so that's 0.20. And the question is, what are my sales? So rather than use an S for sales, I'm just going to write that as an X. So my equation turns into 40,000 equals 0.20x. If you want to, you can put the 0.20x on the left. And what I need to do to solve this is to divide both sides by 0.20. So I do that in my calculator and I end up with $200,000. So that means I sold $200,000 worth of merchandise in order to get my earnings of $40,000. Okay, now I'm going to jump back up to problem number 8 because it has to do with calculating the tip. So if I go out for dinner and I spend $35 on my food, it's customary to leave a tip. So for this problem, the tip is 15%. So what I need to do is I need to find 15% of $35 and then add that onto what I pay. So I need to take 0.15 and then of means times. So I need to take 0.15 times 35. And when I do that, I find out that my tip equals $5.25. Now, if I wanted to know what my meal was really going to cost then, I would take $35 and I would add the $5.25 that I paid for the tip. And my meal ends up costing $40.25.